Hey there, beautiful. Thank you for clicking my video. In today's video, I'm doing a wig show and tell on a wig that was sent to me from LuvMe. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave all the wig details and website link in the description box. Their social medias will be in the description box as well. When you order, they send you some free gifts in the box. I got a LuvMe storage bag, a wig cap, this cute LuvMe hair bag. In the bag, they added a travel size mirror, a edge scarf, and a edge brush / comb. The wig comes neatly packaged as well. Right here is a close-up of inside of the wig. It comes with a 5x5 lace closure. Behind the closure, you get 3 combs, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. They also inserted a adjustable, removable elastic band so you could get an extra secure, snug fit. And this wig is made on a stretch fit breathable material. As for the lace, it looked like it's HD lace. The hair texture is on the silky side, and the hair color looks like a natural black. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Here's a close-up on the hairline and closure. The closure comes really lightly pre-plucked and the knots do not come bleached. And remember, this is a closure wig, so the sides is just made with wefts. I did go in off camera and started going in and plucking the hairline. And I like how it looks with the plucked hairline more. You do not have to go in and do this part. This part is optional. Y'all know I'm just showing y'all what I did, so y'all know how I got my end results. So right here, I'm going in with the hot comb, pressing down the hairline and the parting space, making it nice and flat. I did not go in and bleach the knots. I left the knots the way it came, and this is how my hairline looks after I'm done. Now it's time for me to define the curls. I'm going to go in with this 360 mist spray bottle. It just have water in it and the Nair OB Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. First, I'm going to go in with the water to help define the curls and make it a little bit more smoother because it's looking all frizzy. And then I'm going to go in with the Nair OB Rapid Shine so it can help lock in the curl. I don't like using this paddle brush to define my curls. It's my first time using it to define my curls, but I can't find my regular brush. So I just had to make this brush do and go on with my fingers to touch up with the curls. After I was done defining the curls, I took out 2 pieces of hair in the front by the temples to use as my baby hairs. So I'm going to cut the baby hairs down a little bit more to my liking with eyebrow razors. Now I'm going to take my pencil curling iron. I got this curling iron off of Amazon. I will leave the link below in the description box if you're interested. And I use this to curl the baby hairs. You do not have to do this. I just like doing this because when I swoop the baby hairs in place, it already have that shape from the curling iron to help make that nice swoop shape. Now I'm going to go in with the eyebrow razor again to cut off the extra lace in the front. I'm going to start all the way from the end and just go straight across. And while cutting, I'm just going a little zigzag motion so the lace isn't cut too perfectly straight. Hey there, here I am. Now it's time for the install. I left the wig on the mannequin head for about 2 days, so the wig is definitely nice and dry. Underneath the wig, I applied some makeup powder, and the makeup powder that I used was Maybelline Fit Me powder, but I only applied it to the spots that I'll be showing, so that's the parting space and hairline. Right there in the back, on the right side is where I hooked my adjustable straps. Underneath the wig, I'm going in with a brown stocking cap. Also, I made sure when putting on the wig that the elastic band was all the way in the back by the nape area so it can fit comfortable. And so far, so good. If I would have went in and bleached the knots on this wig, it would have been looking 10 times better. But even though the knots is not bleached, I'm still going to go in and try my best to make it look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder again in the shade 360 and apply some of this powder to the parting space. This is going to help hide my wig cap underneath. It's also going to help conceal the knots and the grids that's on the lace. Plus help the parting space look a little bit more like scalp. Now I'm going to go in with this Glee Made styling mousse on my baby hairs to help style my baby hairs in place. On top of the lace, on the hairline, I went in with some more makeup powder lightly so the lace could blend in a little bit more with my skin and help hide the knots. Okay, beautiful. Right here is my end results, and I must say I really like it. I didn't expect to like it this much, but I love how easy the wig application was. It felt really beginner friendly, except for the part of me going in and plucking the hairline. But like I said, that part is optional. But this is LuvMe Hair Deep Wave Wig. I have it in the length 20 inches. As for the hair density, I feel like the hair density is 180 probably to 150% hair density. Not too thick, not too thin. Really nice for every day. When I was styling the wig, I didn't get any tangling. As for shedding, I did get shedding. I'm not surprised because I went in and plucked a lot of hair from the hairline, but the shedding was not too heavy. Like, it was low to medium. I feel like it's shedding a lot of people could handle. The deep wave curl pattern on this to me is really gorgeous. Like, you can see how the middle has that nice deep wave and then the ends have that nice curly curl to it. Super pretty. And this is a glueless install. Come on, stop playing with me. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, LuvMe. I love it. I love it. And I love how deep the parting space is because it helped the wig look nice and natural. As for the hairline, this is what it looked like for when the wind blow. As for those little white laces that's showing, you can always go in with some black makeup powder and just like cover that up and you should be good. And the best part about this is glueless, you guys. No glue. And you do not have to add baby hairs. That's just optional. Again, the hair color I would say is on the natural black side. This is a virgin hair wig, so you can go in and dye this wig or bleach it. I know a lot of people is more comfortable with jet black hair. I don't mind natural black hair though. I also do believe the density on this wig is really nice and natural looking. When I turn to the side, I love how the top crown area of my head, it doesn't have a hump. It's not too thick. It's nice and flat. When I split the hair in the back, my tracks isn't showing and you can't see my wig cap. The hair have a nice flow to it even though I added product on the hair. And the good part about the product that I add to lock in the curls, which was the Nair OB Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion, it has a very light hold on the curls so it doesn't make the curls like very crunchy or hard. Oh yeah, and I didn't go in and wash this wig as of yet. I am going to go in off camera and bleach the knots and wash the wig. I just wanted to show you guys what this wig looked like from the LuvMe Hair website for anybody that's curious. I'm really, really feeling this and I love it. This is really about to be my everyday wig. You could just pop it on and go. It's super easy. Look at that. I lift it up and put it down. I pick things up and put it down. It just goes up and down. Like, it's just easy. And then I put it on my mannequin head so the curls can stay nice and fresh for every day. So that's like pretty much it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, though, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Later.